What unsettles people the most is not shouting, not rejection, not even anger. It's silence. Because silence is unpredictable. Silence makes people confront themselves. And when the person they thought they could control suddenly stops explaining, stops chasing, stops reacting, quiet becomes their worst nightmare. They expected you to beg. They expected you to break. But you didn't. You gave them nothing. No texts, no calls, no explanations, just silence. And that silence spoke louder than 1,000 arguments ever could. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." That's exactly what your silence proves. You are no longer their puppet. Drop this affirmation in the comments right now. My silence is my power. 1. Silence breaks the illusion of control. When you argue, they win. When you explain, they win. Every reaction proves they still have influence. But silence? Silence shatters that illusion. They thought they had you mapped out. They expected anger, weakness, apology. Instead, you gave them nothing. Your calm becomes their chaos. Affirm, my silence ends their control. 2. Silence turns certainty into doubt. Seneca said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." And that's exactly what silence triggers, their imagination. When you don't explain, they invent stories. Did I lose them? Did I push too far? Did they outgrow me? Every answer terrifies them. Doubt grows where clarity is absent. And you didn't have to lift a finger. Affirm, my silence makes their pride collapse. 3. Silence proves self-control. They thought your emotions would betray you. They expected you to chase, to justify, to beg, but silence is self-mastery. It says, I control me. You control nothing. Every hour you don't react, you invest in yourself. Reading, training, creating, building. Instead of chasing, you rise. Affirm, I am in control, not them. 4. Silence builds respect. Respect isn't earned by arguing or chasing. It's earned through discipline. When you refuse to lower yourself, when you speak less but with purpose, you become unpredictable. And unpredictability commands respect. They can twist your words, but they can't twist silence. Affirm, my silence commands respect. 5. Silence creates space for your rise. Silence isn't just absence, it's opportunity. While they replay the past, you're building your future. Every day you stay quiet, you reclaim the energy that once went to people who didn't deserve it. That's the secret. Silence doesn't just punish them, it frees you. Affirm, my silence builds my strength. Now you see the truth. Your silence is not weakness, it's strategy, it's self-respect, it's proof that you value yourself above their opinion. They thought silence would break you. Instead, it rebuilt you. They thought you'd crawl back. Instead, you rose higher. Remember this final Stoic truth. You cannot control others, only yourself. Every time you choose calm over chaos, you reclaim power. Drop this in the comments. I am untouchable. My silence is my power. My worth is undeniable. And if this gave you strength, subscribe, share it, and keep building the life that proves it.